Hey everyone, this is Mr. Bill. Today we are, well not today, starting today we're going to explain how to stain an outdoor concrete table and bar area, kitchen area. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the table, and me and my buddy Mark went with a orbital sander with these 60 grit discs, and we sanded for hours and hours. You can see here, this is the area that we did, and this is the area I just did, which is a big difference. I'll show you how I got to that point. So I bought this turbo cup wheel on Amazon. It was like $25–30, but it was way too aggressive. It was leaving marks and gouges. I also tried this kind of disc, which didn't work, and different flapper discs. They didn't work. I found this at Home Depot. It's made by Rigid. It's a 4.5 inch and it has diamond embedded in it, and this worked really well. So this is what I'm using. When this is brand new, you have to be careful because it's still aggressive, but not as aggressive as this. And as it wears down, as long as you keep it flat, it really takes the old material off of there. So that's what I'm doing today. I got my mask, my gloves, my hearing protection, just a cheap Harbor Freight grinder, and I'll get going on it. It's dirty. Okay, I'm all suited up, and this is what I got at Home Depot, made by Rigid. It's like 40 some bucks, but worth it. See, did not do. Pretty smooth finish. I'm gonna hose it off and finish this corner up another day, and onto the table. Okay, so the table and the bar are all now ground, and I'm hosing off the residue. And next I'll clean it with the cleaner. Okay, so this is the gallon of Proline EZAccent color. We went with Pinto. It came out a nice dark brown. This is a gallon, and we got about a half left, at least a half left. And this is the Echo Sealer we used on top of it. Well, we also used this for the other part of the deck around the swimming pool. Okay, so we're putting some color on. It's hard to see in the sunlight, but I got the mixture in the plastic bucket with a chip brush and a sponge and a bottle of water. And kind of getting things wet and hitting it with the sponge. Okay, so the staining is done. I'll have you take a look. I taped off, plastic off, book cardboard. That's the table and the bar area. Okay, so it's early morning before the heat and the sun. I got my masonry sponge, a bucket of clear, and I'm just kind of working it in. It'll get a little, I guess you would say, milky, and you just keep working it until that goes away. I ended up switching gears here. The sponge wasn't working out like it did with the stain, so let me show you. I went with the stain and waterproofing 5-inch brush, and I got a much better coverage as opposed to the sponge, which left some dry spots. So I'm going to hit this again. It should turn out much nicer now. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Bill.